How to check Google Form responses. Once people submit responses to your Google Form, you can easily check them in different ways. First of all, open the Google Form in your Google web browser. Inside the Google Forms, make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Now there, all you have to do is select your form you want to see responses of. Now once you select the form, you can see Response tab at the top option available. So as you can see, there is Responses tab available. Simply tap on it. And you can see all responses in 3 views: summary, question, and individual. Simply overview of all responses with graphs and responses grouped by each question, and view each person's response separately. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.